Shocking news from a small town in West Bengal has sent ripples across Bharat. A local criminal publicly flogged a couple for an alleged extramarital affair, showcasing a disturbing trend of vigilante justice. This incident is just the tip of the iceberg in a region grappling with increasing radicalization and a shift towards extremist ideologies. The perpetrator, associated with the ruling party, took it upon himself to dispense what he considered justice, inspired by strict religious laws. The situation for women in this area has deteriorated alarmingly. A former political figure once callously remarked about a horrific rape case, "Such things keep happening." This nonchalant attitude towards violence against women seems to have set a dangerous precedent. Demographic changes and administrative apathy have contributed to making the area unsafe for women of all ages. The National Crime Records Bureau reports alarming numbers of missing women, many feared trafficked into prostitution. In this dire scenario, Kailasar emerges as a beacon of hope, as the revival of the ancient Sanatana Hindu civilizational nation, led by the Supreme Pontiff of Hinduism, Bhagavan Sri Nityananda Paramashivam. Kailasar offers a sanctuary where human rights are respected and spiritual growth is nurtured. Kailasar is reviving ancient Hindu feminism, focusing on awakening divine feminine consciousness across all genders. This empowers not just women, but all individuals to embrace their innate divinity and potential. If you're disturbed by these incidents and wish to be part of a society that upholds dignity and peaceful coexistence, become a citizen of Kailasar. Apply now by scanning the QR code or visiting acitizen.info/Kailasavasis. Join us in creating a world of compassion, peace, and spiritual enlightenment.